Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning, dear student. In today's session, Standard 12 Account Chapter 1 Accounting for Share Capital, we are going to solve sum number 12 from exercise forfeited. Okay, sums related to forfeited. Those shares on which amount is not paid on any call by a shareholder, then the company forfeited their shares, and after the forfeited the share, company reissued that shares in the market. Okay, sum number 12. First question is, company forfeited 800 equity share of rupees 10 each of shareholder for non-payment of allotment money rupees 4 per share and call money of rupees 3 per share. This shareholder had paid rupees 3 per share with application. Okay, forfeited shares were reissued at rupees 8 per share. Fine. 12th, first question number 12, one number. Okay, first journal entry will be at the time of forfeiture of share, equity share capital account debited. Okay, 800 shares at the rate of rupees 10 per share, it means 8,000. Okay, then we have to write down the shares on which the calls on which the amount is not received. Okay, for non-payment of allotment money 4 per share and call money 3 per share. Okay, it means 2 equity share allotment account. Okay, allotment rate is of rupees 4 per share. Allotment is 4 per share. It means 3,200 rupees. Then 2 equity share first and final call. Only call is given. It means first and final call account. Okay, at the rate of rupees 3 per share, it means 2,400 rupees. Fine. And in the next journal entry, we will write down 2 equity share forfeiture account. Okay, 2 equity share forfeiture account. Okay, those amount which is received from the shareholders. Fine, 2,400 rupees. Okay, at the time of forfeiture on allotment rupees 4 per share, it means not received. 800 multiplied by 4, 3,200 will not received. Okay, and first and final call at rupees 3 per share, 800 multiplied by 3, 2,400. Remaining, it means equity share forfeiture account. It means this amount is received from the shareholders. Okay, then narration, being forfeiture of 800 shares, being forfeiture of 800 shares for non-payment of allotment money and call money. After paying share application money. Okay, after paying share application money. Fine. Now the next point is forfeited shares were reissued at rupees 8 per share. Okay. At the time of reissue, first we have to write down bank account debited 8 rupees per share. It means 800 multiplied by 860 400. Then we have to write down share forfeiture account. To equity share forfeiture account. Okay. Share is of rupees 10 at the time of reissue 8 rupees per share. It means 2 rupees not received. Okay, that amount will be returned on equity share forfeiture, and then to equity share capital account. 8,000. Okay, being reissue of 800 shares at rupees 8 per share. Being reissue of 800 shares at rupees 8 per share. Okay, and in the last we have to write down amount transferred to capital reserve on the basis of share forfeiture. Okay, in the first, equity share forfeiture credited 2400. It means this amount is received from the shareholders. At the time of reissue, equity share forfeiture is of rupees 1600. Okay, from 2400 deducting 1600 and amount of rupees 800 is difference amount. That amount will transfer to capital reserve account. Okay, it means equity share forfeiture account debited to capital reserves account. Okay, 2400 minus 1600, it means 800 rupees. Fine. Being balance of share forfeiture account 2400 credit minus 1600 debit equals to 800 rupees transfer to capital reserves account. Fine. Okay. Now, number second question. Company RK Company Limited forfeited 600 shares of rupees 10 each of Sunil. Sunil had paid application allotment money 5 per share but had not paid 3 per share and 2 per share on first and second call. Out of forfeited share, 400 shares were reissued at rupees 6 per share to Mittal. Fine. Okay. Now first entry, equity share capital account debited 600 shares at rupees 10 per share. It means 6,000. Okay. Then for non-payment of 3 per share and 2 per share for first and second call. Okay. It means first we will write down 2 equity share first call account. Fine. 600 share at the rate of rupees 3 per share. It means 1800. Then 2 equity share second call account, 2 per share. It means 1200 rupees. And then equity share forfeiture account. Okay, amount of rupees 3000. Fine. At the time of first call 3 rupees, final call 2 rupees, 5 rupees not received. It means application announcement 5 rupees received. Okay, and that amount will be returned on to equity share forfeiture account. Fine. Okay, now narration. Being forfeiture for 600 shares for non-payment of first call and second call, for non-payment of first call and second call at rupees 3 per share and rupees 2 per share. Okay. Okay, out of that 400 shares were reissued. Bank account debited. Out of 600, 400 shares were reissued. Okay, 400 shares were reissued at rupees 6 per share. It means 2400. Fine. Equity share forfeiture account debited 400 into 4, 1600 to equity share capital account an amount of rupees 4000. Okay, now working note related to this point. Okay, company forfeited 600 shares and company reissued only 400 shares. Okay, it means we have to change the 600 shares into 400 shares. Fine. When 600 shares are there, amount received is of rupees 3000. Fine. Okay, now when 400 shares are there, amount is how much? Fine. It means 400 multiplied by 3000 divided by 600, 2000. Okay, fine. It means this 600 shares transferred to 400 shares. It means instead of 3000, now balance is of rupees 2000. From those 2000, this 1600 is to be deducted. A remaining amount is of rupees 400. Okay, your journal entry will be being reissue of 400 shares at rupees 6 per share. Okay, out of forfeited 600 shares, right? And now the third one is share forfeiture account debited to capital resource account. Okay, amount of rupees 400. Fine. Being transfer of proportionate amount, we have to write down here that being transfer of proportionate amount being transfer of proportionate amount of rupees 400 to capital reserve account. Now, question number 12, third number, in that question number 3. A shareholder holding 3000 equity share of rupees 10 each has application money of rupees 13 per share including premium. Has paid 13 per share including premium and allotment money at rupees 13 per share including premium. Okay, his shares were forfeited for non-payment of call rupees 4 per share. Okay, it means that shareholder had paid application money of rupees 13 per share and allotment money of rupees 13 per share including premium. Okay, his shares were forfeited for non-payment of call money rupees 4 per share. Fine. At the time of forfeited, if any amount of call is received with premium, then the amount of premium is not to be considered. It means that amount is not to be calculated. Fine. Okay. Now, shareholder holding 3000 equity share at rupees 10 per share. Okay. It means first journal entry will be equity share, a capital account debited 3000 shares at rupees 10 per share. It means 30,000 rupees. Okay, his shares were forfeited for non-payment of call 4 per share. Okay, it means we have to write down 2 equity share call account. Fine. 3000 shares at rupees 4 per share. It means 12,000. Then a remaining amount will be written in equity share forfeiture account. It means an amount of rupees 18,000. Fine. Being forfeiture of 3000 shares for non-payment of rupees 4 per share on call. Okay. Now next entry, Forfeited shares were reissued at rupees 7 per share. Okay, it means bank account debited 3,000 shares at rupees 7 per share. It means 21,000. Then equity share forfeiture account debited 9,000 to equity share capital account 30,000. Okay, being reissue of 3,000 shares at rupees 7 per share. Okay, now share forfeiture account is of rupees 18,000, and here credit debit equity share forfeiture account debited 9,000. It means share forfeiture account debited to capital reserves account an amount of rupees 9,000. Fine. Being balance of share forfeiture account rupees 18,000 credit minus rupees 9,000 debit equals to rupees 9,000 transferred to capital reserves account. Okay, fine. In today's session we have completed our sum number 12. In next section we will continue our chapter. Goodbye, take care all of you.